Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we have a very special one for you all. So we're going to be making a engine which I like to call Steamer from Five Nights at Smudgers series, also known as the Proteus. That's not the Proteus, that is not Proteus. Yeah. So what you're gonna want to do first is get your face. Which if you do not know the codes for, it's 154-069-17042. Once you put that in, you shall get this face. If you need any more faces, put it in the comment section below and I will personally text you it. But if you put the face on here, what you're going to do is you're going to click F. Now, while holding the face here, you're going to press control, and then click on the other parts. Which I like to do the smoke box and this, the side tanks. Then you're going to click weld to last, and if it says 2, good. Now, the other thing you want to do is you're going to want to get a cylinder piece and put it there. Now, what you're going to want to do is put it to 25, your thing, after putting on the face. Then doing this, and putting it down to the exact size. Now you're going to be thinking, oh, why are you doing this? Isn't the wheel already there? It is, but not in the way you think. Due to how the bogey is, it is really broken. So what I like to do to make sure that the bogey can't go off the rails is I like to add an invisible rod. So once the invisible rod's added, the engine will always stay on the rails. And now, what'll happen is you won't need any of this other crap like that, or any extra bits. Now, what you're going to want to do is turn off all collisions. If you want, you could do it before or after, but I personally like to do it after just because it makes it a whole lot easier. Then you're going to put your collisions on the bit. Now that that's on, you're going to do this. You're going to click all of this after turning it off, and then go this entire section right here. Now if that's done, you're going to click weld, and if it says 99, that means you're set. Now, once that is done, you're going to want to grab one more thing for your side tanks, the nameplates. Now, you're going to want to go back to base, and if you have the F3X plus thing, you're going to enter this building here, the job tool code, a tool for every job. You're going to click on the label tool. Now, you're going to head back to where you originally were, which is the quarry over here and to the right. That's done. You're going to come back here and click on the label tool. Now, this may be hard at first. All I need to know is if you change face, make sure the aerial is at the front. The problem, you can't close this once it's open, so it's kind of just stuck there. But if you're going to put this, I say capitalize or caps and steamer. And now, you have the word steamer there. Now what I do is I put 25. Wait, no, 23. 23, so that way it's as big as it can get, and you're going to do the exact same side to this side. So you're going to make sure you have name board selected, and do the exact same thing again. Now, your steamer's done. Hooray! Now though, if you don't like the color, you need to repaint the entire engine. Now in the Five Nights at Smudgers series, Steamer is all in black and is running side rods gray. So I'm going to make them all gray real quick. It's easier. Now make the entire side rods gray, if you want to, that is, or do whatever color you want. Now that the entire side rods are gray, what you're going to want to do is go on the other side and do the exact same thing, obviously. Now, the easy part is over, and now all I need to do is just do the rest of the body and the colors. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to do an average black, or really black, And then you're going to go over the entire body, right? Entire body. So, entire body is done for. Once the entire body is done, it's going to be as easy as pie after that. Now, if you want to have your steamer looking all nice and fiddle, I recommend putting smooth plastic on it. Due to smooth plastic, making the engine look super shiny. Not only the fact, it removes all these bumps and holes and crap like that anywhere that you would normally notice. I like to make it smooth plastic due to the facts of how good it looks. So all I need to do, I'm painting, which I am in fact not, but, 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 but. Now then that that's done, you're going to want to finish up any and all leftover paints you have. Paint these things up front gray. Not gray, I mean dark red. You're gonna paint everything up here dark red, and back here dark red, due to the colors on steamer having the dark red colors. Now then, your steamer is basically done. Is there anything else you'd want to do? There is one last thing. You're going to click Control T to go over the entire model. Then you're going to click Smooth Plastic. Once on Smooth Plastic, the engine is entirely smooth, flat, and doesn't have a singular spot in it. Now, when unanchored, it'll work. Oh wait, forgot this rule. When you get inside the engine, hold on, I forgot to unanchor it. Oh. Now then, that's the entire engine's done. But something went wrong with this one, so just do the exact same thing that I did, and everything will go as planned. Just not mine didn't go as planned. Yeah. Yeah, though, that's how you make a working steamer. Mine didn't work, but it doesn't mean yours doesn't look cool. Now, goodbye, everyone. Have a good day. Love you. And if you have any comments, put them in the comment section.